When installing a power outlet panel for a pull-behind trailer, a main breaker is required. The main breaker protects the entire electrical system from overloads and short circuits. To determine the required feeder size, the maximum possible load needs to be calculated. In this case, we have a 50 amps 120/240 volts outlet, which equates to 10,000 watts. We also have a 30 amps 115/125 volts outlet, which equates to 3,600 watts. And lastly, a 20 amps ground fault interrupter protected outlet, which equates to 2,400 watts. The maximum possible load is calculated by adding these together, so 10,000 watts plus 3,600 watts plus 2,400 watts equals 16,000 watts. According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Table 310.15b16, a 16,000 watts load requires a feeder with a minimum ampacity of 60 amps. Therefore, the required feeder size is number 6 American wire gauge copper wire. The 50 amps and 30 amps circuits are not required to be on the same feeder since they will never be used simultaneously. The feeder should be protected by a corresponding main breaker in the panel. In this case, a 60 amps main breaker would be appropriate.